Are you looking to take your athletic performance to the next level? Chiropractic care might be the missing piece. By focusing on proper alignment and joint function, chiropractic care can enhance biomechanics, reduce injuries, and optimize overall health. Chiropractic care offers numerous benefits tailored to athletes. Proper alignment reduces strain on the body, enhances movement efficiency, and helps prevent injuries. Chiropractors are experts in assessing and treating issues related to the spine and joints, ensuring the nervous system functions without interference. Chiropractic adjustments improve spinal and joint alignment, directly impacting posture and balance. Proper alignment ensures the body maintains its natural posture, reducing unnecessary strain on muscles and joints. This leads to more efficient movement patterns and better overall performance. Chiropractic care plays a crucial role in preventing common sports injuries. Chiropractors can identify and correct biomechanical issues before they lead to injuries. Regular adjustments and targeted exercises help strengthen muscles and ligaments, reducing the risk of injury and aiding in faster recovery. Chiropractic care is a powerful tool for enhancing athletic performance. By improving biomechanics, preventing injuries, and supporting recovery, chiropractic adjustments help athletes perform at their best.